Welcome back to the wood shop. Today I'm going to be making a simple little project for my mom and dad. Right now Dad is laying a new laminate floor throughout their house and he needs a transition strip to go from the hallway into one of the bedrooms, so I'm going to try to cut him one. It's 24 and 7/16 long. I'm going to make it about 3 inches wide. We'll put some bevels on it and I'm going to make it out of pallet wood. Okay, the next step is to run this board through the old planer here on both sides a couple of times. Get it good and flat and smooth. You can see it's a little bit cupped. Hopefully we can get rid of all that. Now this is not quite as thick as I would like it to be for a transition strip. Hopefully we can get by without having to remove too much wood. So now we'll break out the old table saw. First thing we're going to do is square off one end of this. Then we will make our measurement, 24 and 7/16. We'll make the length cut. Then we will cut each side of this and get a good smooth cut on each side. We'll wind up with a board that is 3 inches wide. Okay, now we have our board that is 24 and 7/16 by 3 inches. And the thickness of this is right at 3/8 of an inch. Now what I'm going to do is put a 10-degree bevel on each side of this so it will step up to 3/8 of an inch in the center. And on the sides it should be right around 1/4 of an inch. And probably leave about 1 inch in the center that'll be that 3/8 thickness. Well, now the transition strip is all cut and beveled, and I went ahead and sanded it too. So the next step in this process is to drill pilot holes for the screws in order to mount it to the floor. And I'll also put some countersink holes above them as well. That way your screw is down below the surface, you're not catching your toes on it or anything. And after that, we'll stain it and it'll be done. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is put a piece of scrap wood down here so we can drill down into it. We won't be drilling down into our workbench. Well, now our stain has had time to dry, and you can see we have our finished transition strip. Now this is about 3/8 of an inch thick in the center, and you can see it's a 10-degree bevel. It goes down to about 3/16 of an inch on the edges, and we have pilot holes and all that drilled and ready to go. You got your countersinks for your screw heads. That way you don't cut your feet on the screws or or anything like that. And I think it turned out pretty nice. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that thumbs up, and follow us on Facebook at Woodsongs by Russell. Till next time, happy woodworking.